Where is the fuse box located in your 2022 Toyota Tacoma? And what do the fuses control? In this guide, we'll explore the fuse box diagram and location to help you troubleshoot electrical issues and maintain your vehicle's essential functions. Engine compartment fuse panel. The engine compartment fuse panel in the 2022 Toyota Tacoma protects critical electrical systems, including the starter, headlights, and cooling fans. It is located near the battery for easy access during maintenance. The cover includes a diagram to help identify fuse functions. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box in the 2022 Toyota Tacoma houses essential fuses for interior electrical components like the radio, power windows, and dashboard lights. It is conveniently located under the driver's side dashboard for easy access.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.